Our topic today is performance improvement. In this session, we will be looking at why performance and process improvement is important, some various performance improvement methodologies, how to successfully implement change, and why continuous improvement is important. As organizations, we are always striving to improve our business, increase cash flows, lower costs, and increase production. We go about this in many ways, but somehow they can all be tied back to one of the many process improvement methodologies, and ultimately the historical significance of companies like Motorola and GE. When a Japanese firm took over a Motorola factory that manufactured Quasar television sets in the United States in the 1970s, they promptly set about making drastic changes in the way the factory operated. Under Japanese management, the factory was soon producing TV sets with 1/20th as many defects as they had produced under Motorola's management. They did this using the same workforce, same technology, and same designs, and they did it while lowering costs, making it clear that the problem was Motorola's management. So what does this mean for us today? Whether we realize it or not, we are constantly evolving, changing, or growing. Making performance improvement part of our daily work will support both our overall business and individual success as we strive to improve our products, outputs, processes, and competitive position. The various methodologies and tools available for process improvement include, but are not limited to, Six Sigma, Lean Management, Lean Six Sigma, Total Quality Management, and various models such as the 5 Whys model, the PDCA model, the DMAIC model, and various quality tools and other models as well. Since many of our current day improvement methodologies were born out of Six Sigma, we will briefly look at the goal of this methodology and a few supporting models. But due to our time constraints, this will only be a very brief introduction to the models and not a full explanation of the processes. The ultimate goal of Six Sigma is to produce a completely error-free business performance that increases customer satisfaction, employee satisfaction, production numbers, and the bottom line. In doing this, the process should also decrease errors and reduce costs. During the Six Sigma process, quality is continually measured and benchmarked against the norm. The 5 Whys model is a simple and yet effective means of determining the root cause of an issue, allowing us to dig into and analyze the related issues and relationships so we are able to truly understand a condition along with the contributing factors. The concept involves asking a minimum of 5 whys until we are satisfied that we have determined the root cause. The PDCA, or Plan, Do, Check, Act model, is a continuous feedback loop to identify and change process elements to reduce variation. In other words, the objective of PDCA is to plan to do something, manufacture or actually do it, verify or check it for meeting requirements, and correct the process to maintain the acceptable output performance. The DMAIC, or Define, Measure, Analyze, Improve, and Control process, provides a proven approach to problem solving and guides the application of improvement tools in a highly structured and sequenced approach. Successfully implementing change and incorporating performance improvement interventions into an organization is not always an easy task. After reviewing all the data gathered from performance improvement interventions, incorporating various methods provides a more robust and clearly defined plan of action than by selecting only one method. By looking at our issues from various vantage points, utilizing various models, we are able to produce a more effective intervention. Enterprise-wide, the long-term challenge is to combine all improvement work into an overall system and create a management framework to sustain the system. Such a system can provide a common language for improvement, enable precise definition and scoping of improvement projects, and offer a method for guiding project teams through the problem solving and process improvement. In time, improvement becomes a routine process, and continuous improvement becomes an integral part of the way we work. One of the most important factors built into many of the improvement models and supporting the overall success of improvement interventions is the need for continuous improvement. This is the control phase of the DMAIC model. Since this part controls future process performance, it is considered the most important part of the Six Sigma project. The control stage of Six Sigma is being able to sustain the process the team has worked to refine. To ensure all of our improvement efforts stand the test of time, we must incorporate a continuous improvement mindset into all of our strategies. It is imperative that we monitor and continually audit our processes to ensure that the strategies we have implemented are meeting the demands on our business and continuously being improved as we grow and change. Thank you for your time today, and I look forward to our mutual success.